Hey everyone, welcome back to Linux for Noobs, the channel where we make Linux fun and friendly. In today's video, we will learn how to navigate directories and move files using a simple and fun folder structure. We will create 4 folders: Apple, inside that banana, inside that cat, and inside that dog. So it will be A, B, C, D. This will help us to visualize the manipulation in an easier way. Alright, without wasting any time, let's dive into the terminal. So when you open up the terminal, you will see something like this. So this small little symbol means that we are already in our home directory, and I'm gonna go to change directory to desktop. So now we are in the desktop, this space which you are seeing in the background, the desktop. So I'm gonna create a folder. For that, I'm gonna type mkdir, which is make directory, and I'm gonna create a folder called Apple. Hit enter. Now you will see we have a folder Apple. I'm gonna go inside this folder. Before we do that, you need to be careful that Apple and Apple are two different folders. So the commands which we will be running are case sensitive. So just for the sake of simplicity, I will be typing everything in the small case. So I'm gonna change my directory to Apple, then I'm gonna create another folder called banana, then hit enter, then I'm gonna cd to banana, then I'm gonna create another folder called cat, then cd to cat, then make directory dog, then hit enter. So now if we see, we have the folder Apple, then we have banana, then we have inside that cat, inside that dog. So this is how the chain of folders looks like: Apple, banana, cat, dog, A, B, C, D. So now we know which folder is where. Alright, so let's close it up. I could have done this in one single command as well. Let me show you that as well. So I'm gonna delete it first. So let me switch to change directory to home/desktop. So now we are in the desktop again. We can repeat the process. I'm gonna type mkdir and then -p. This is an option, and I will be making a dedicated video how to use options and flags. And if you have not subscribed yet, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, so make directory -p. After that, I'm gonna type the entire chain of folders: banana/cat/dog. Hit enter. Okay, so I need to remove the first dash. Alright, so we will get the exact same results as before: banana, cat, dog. So far so good. So let's move up. We're gonna create another file. So in order to create a file, we will use the command touch, touch, touch. I'm gonna call my file hello.txt. Remember, if I just type this command, it's gonna save the hello.txt in the current working directory, which is Apple. You can see it here. I'm gonna hit enter. So now we will have a file as well called hello.txt, and we can see that in the terminal as well. I'm gonna type ls. You can see it says hello. Now I want to copy this file, and before we learn copy, paste, and how to move and rename files, we will learn how to navigate through the folders. So right now I'm in the Apple. Let's just say I want to go to banana. I can just change directory banana, right? And what if I want to go to 2 step ahead? So for that, I can type cd cat/dog, and now I am in the dog folder. So I have taken 2 steps further. What if I want to take 2 or 3 steps back? For 1 step, I can just type cd then double dot. It will take me 1 step back. If I want to take 2 steps back, I need to type cd double dot / then double dot again. It's gonna take me all the way to Apple, as you can see here. So this is how you can go back and forth. This is the first way. The two different way by which you can navigate in the file system are the absolute path names or the relative path names. So right now what I have used are the relative path names, because we are already in the same chain of folders. I can go back and forth. What if I want to go to, maybe let's just say not in desktop, but I want to go to documents, which is in the home folder, but it is outside of the desktop chain of folders. So I'm gonna type cd, right, then I'm gonna type home, then / documents. So it's gonna take me all the way to documents. Hit enter. Now we are in the documents. So previously we were in this folder, right, inside desktop. We were in the apple, banana and cat, and then we went to this folder here. This is where we are right now in the terminal. Okay, so these are called the absolute path names. So you can just cd, then type the whole path where you want to go, and it's gonna take you there. Similarly, I can type cd, then home / desktop / apple / banana / cat / dog, and it's gonna take us to all the way to dog folder. So this is how you navigate through the terminal. So let's get back to the copy pasting and how to move the files. So the file was stored in the Apple folder, right? Yeah. So we're gonna go back to Apple folder by using double dot / double dot / Now we are in the Apple again. Okay, so I'm gonna type ls. We can see the file is here. I'm gonna copy paste cp. What file? The file is hello.txt, and then where I want it to copy, I want to copy it to dog folder. So I'm gonna type banana / cat / dog. So now it is in the dog folder. You can see it here as well. Banana cd / cat / dog. So now you can see the file is here, right? And similarly, you can move it anywhere in the entire system. So let's just say if I want it to move it, copy it move it to another folder like the documents, we can go the same thing as well. I can type c copy paste hello. We already done the copy paste. Let's move it. To move the file, I'm gonna type mv hello.txt, and I want it to move it to documents, home / documents. I spelled it wrong. So now if I go to the documents folder, I'll go to home, then documents folder, and this is here. We can see the file, right? We can also use the mv command to rename the files as well. So if I type ls, we don't have the file here anymore. Let's go back to the Apple where we already have the file. So let's just say I want to rename the file to hi.txt instead of hello. So I can do that as well. I can type mv hello.txt. If you, after this, if you type a directory, it's gonna move this file to that directory. But if you type the new name of the file, then it's gonna move that entire file into the new file. So it will be like renaming. So if I type hi.txt, what it's gonna do is take this and turn it into this, right? And if I hit enter, now if I type ls, you will see there's no hello.txt anymore, it's hi.txt. So I have renamed the file successfully. I think this is good enough for today's video. And if you have watched this video till the end, then you have just mastered the basic navigation and basic file operations in Linux. And if this helped, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, because in the future I will be making many more interesting videos. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Bye.